Are you looking to build your website logo and you don't know how to do it, and you want to build your website logo yourself? Then you are come to the correct place, and I will show you how you can build your website logo using Canva. So hello guys, I am Mahendra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video I will show you how you can create your website logo using Canva. So instead of further delay, let's get start with it. So to do it, I will open one browser tab and will open Google search, and here I will search for Canva, and I will open canva.com, and here is the canva.com. So I will log into my Google account in canva.com. So now I am logged into the canva.com, and this is how it is looking, and I will create a design. So I will click on create a design button, and I want to build a logo for my website. So I will find a logo here and will do click on it, and it will open with blank page. And if you can see here in left side, there is a templates, and here you can find some free templates. So let's find it some free. I'm doing a scroll down, scroll up, and seeing which will be good for me. Doing scroll down and scroll up and finding some free one. I want to show you how actually you can build your website logo. Okay, so let me click any one. Okay, this one is premium. Okay, I'm click on hit here, and I'm doing click here, and doing change the content. Here I'm writing EWD, and here I will write excellent, and here I will write web development. Okay, so do you see this, guys, how the logo is changed or created here? Here you can change the font. Let me click here. Here is the LORA, and here is the different font. I will change it from here. Here it is using this color, so let me change this color to this. Excellent web development EWD. I am doing center it, and this my logo is now created, and I can export this logo. So to do this, I will click on share, and will do click on download, and then again I will click on download, and now my logo is being processed to download, and now completed, and here my logo is downloaded. So when I do click on it, and here is my logo. Let me give another example, and I will select my recently used template. Okay, I'm doing click on see all, and here you can see some of my recently used template, sorry, and here I am doing click on kg. So here I was trying to build a logo. So here I will write excellent, but let me change this. I will write EWD, and I will delete this EWD from here, and I will increase the text size from here. Okay, so now I am selecting this EWD and want to increase the font of it. So I am simply doing plus icon, pressing here, and you can see how it is increasing the font size. And if I do click on minus icon, then it will decrease the size of font. Okay, so let me write here 40. Okay, this is good. Now I am doing drag and drop it to some below, so it will be in center. Okay, and let me center it. Okay, now it is center too. And I want to change the color of this logo background, then I'm click on it, and here you can see color option. Do you see it here? I'm doing click on it here, and the changing the color of the background of my logo, and I can simply do it from here, selection of default colors. Okay, this one is fine. And want to change the color of this text too, so I am selecting this text, and here if you can see one icon with capital A, it is the text color. So simply I will do click on it and will do change the color of it. So here I have a default color option, and here this is the document color which I have used, so I will click on it here, and you can see this color is also changed. So this is how you can build your website logo through the canva.com. And to do this, you need to download, click on share, then you will have option to download, click on download, and again you click on download. And this is, guys, how you can build your website logo. And I open it my computer, and this is how it is looking. So guys, this is how you can build your website logo. So guys, if you do like my video, then hit the like button, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.